morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night, wherever you are watching us from. I remember my humble said that biafra evangelist that we always speak the truth and nothing but the truth. Remember what I said over the weekend before Monday. I said I am looking forward to see what will come out in the court. Then we will know where to proceed. You know, people are like asking me, Pastor, do you expect any positive?
Yes, everything online, they are trying to get your opinion, their reaction on this.
You understand? I was like, they should hold on. This urgent call is somehow strange, but we must not conclude in analysis. We should hold on and hear them first. You understand? Because the woman coming back again was the person that saved herself from the case. Coming back to the matter again means that there is something fishy or about to happen, but you must not just run into conclusion without first and foremost hearing, the angle or the axis or the point that the court is coming out from. And yesterday, you and I have witnessed what has happened, the way the whole thing has went. That the reactions of Nnamdi, even in the court, even towards his own defendant, the lawyers, and some persons has come out and was like, Kano was so arrogant or whatsoever. On the other point of my own view, Kano is not that arrogant. He has been visiting court and he has been facing tortures and trials. Onye ka ọ ga-abụrụ ka ọ ghara iwe iwe. Onye ọ ga-abụrụ ka ọ ghara ime otu o si wee mee. You cannot beat a child, expect that child to close his mouth. So if you watch his reaction, it simplifies or indicates how he has been feeling or the things he has been going through, the trauma that has been going through him in DSS, something that is not normal. And you people are calling on, let's follow the law. And according to the law, how can you that violated the law coming back to use the law against me? You don't understand? You cannot commit a crime and at the same time you want to judge me over a crime again. You understand? You can't, it's not possible. Let me give you this hint. It's only in Nigeria that all this nonsense are taking place. In America, you can never be a prisoner and come out and become a president. Many places in the world. But in Nigeria here, you see prisoners, you see criminals becoming a president. You understand? So now, you, Benta Nyako, you have removed your head, withdraw yourself from the case. In other words, you have surrendered. According to the law, you don't have that right again to come back again on the matter. You don't have that right. That is what Nnamdi was trying to prove yesterday, which I see that the lawyers, his defendants, they don't know that. And they are like to welcome it. So he was like proving it to them, letting them to know, no, you dare not welcome this. Excuse me, that's when please do not admit this. It's against the law. Even against the law of Nigeria, that if you watch it, they carry out this thing and was showing it to everybody. I want you to see it, that this woman has violated the law of the country. So you that violated the law, being a judge, that's why he opened up and told them that you people don't know the law. You know nothing about the law. Even the law of the land, you know nothing about it. So let me show you and let me prove it to you. So he collect the paper, he show it to everybody. Those that are online, those that are present there, those that have the opportunity to witness, to see. What happened yesterday, the whole world is watching.
Wow.
The whole world is aware. The whole world knows that the young man that appeared yesterday in the court was fighting for his right. And he said it openly that I did not go against the law. Agitation is not a crime. It is my fundamental right to agitate for Biafra, to agitate for the freedom of my people, to make sure that the intimidation and the marginalization that have been going on against my people must stop. So it's not against the law, and neither is it a crime. Then you look at what happened. The same as Nnamdi is a terrorist. And Nnamdi have been in Nigeria, in DSS. Simon Ekpan a terrorist. One man was ranting on this thing, either channel or whatsoever, TVC. Do you know what he said? He said that he was among the people that say, arrest Simon Ekpan. That Simon Ekpan is the one behind the killing that is going on. And now Simon Ekpan is no longer in existence. And the killing continues. So federal government should tell us what is happening. The man said. So coming back to the reactions of Nnamdi Kanu yesterday, the man stood on his ground and he stood on his right. He did not offend anybody. So if Binta, and it was yesterday that everybody, including me, got to know the reason why they are signing and they are pushing it on Binta and they are forcing Binta, to handle that case. Because the Binta husband has committed a crime. Her son committed a crime. And for the safety of her husband and her son, they are pushing her to conclude and to jail Nnamdi Kanu or to put a death sentence on Nnamdi Kanu. And according to the law, you dare not do that. Because the man was not going against anybody. He has never killed a cockroach. The people that they have been killing, they do not call them terrorists. The Fulanis, the Hausa, Tinubu and co that have been killing, committing murder, they have not, Sirius Musa have been committing murder, they have not nailed anybody. Terrorists. Look at what the stupid man in the north, the one they call Sheyu Gumi or Sheku Gumi. Sheku Gumi have been murdering Nigerians in different places. They did not call him terrorist. But Nnamdi Kanu, an innocent man, this is the man they call a terrorist. God will judge all of them. So far they match the earth and they drink the water, except they are the one that created heaven and earth. So long they match the earth, the heaven will judge them and judge their next generation.
Pastor, as it stands now, Nnamdi Kanu is not going to give up on
one
this
stupid
matter.
Man, the former aide, Shade Ahmed or whatsoever they call it, the former aide to Buhari, said that Nnamdi Kanu was arrogant. Arrogant in what sense? When you are denying a man his fundamental rights, you say he should not react. When you go to the villages of the brother and take the life of his family, and you expect him not to react, you kill and murder his brothers, his father, his mother, his family, damage his home. You say he should not react. You tag him a terrorist which he has never for one day practiced. You say he should not react. And you went to his village currently now in the east. Do you know how many people that have died by the Fulanis? You say he should not react. Who does that? I want you to put yourself in that shoe. If you are the one, how will you feel? No, put yourself in that shoe. As it is to me now, I am not happy. I can slap anybody.
Make address. Yes, Pastor, it's quite emotional, honestly. But we're seeing the Yorubas, so many people are celebrating Nnamdi Kanu bravely yesterday. Even the Yoruba people are celebrating Nnamdi Kanu for that confrontation, live confrontation without any reservation. We are at this point, and Nnamdi Kanu is taken suspended indefinitely until maybe we're not going to see him, and possibly, God forbid, Nnamdi Kanu dies. What do you think is going to be the fate of the Eastern governors?
My brother, nothing will happen to Nnamdi Kanu. I am outside and they talk. I don't send anybody. Anybody that want to tell make a contact, thunder fire that person. Talo fe terisi ko wa terisi. I don't speak Yoruba language. Onye chori tinya, onye chori biano ya bia me go. Yes, ya bia go si onwe ngbotu akwa unu isi ebe ahụ. Nothing will happen to Nnamdi Kanu.
Nothing will happen to him.
And nothing must happen to Nnamdi Kanu. I still repeat, nothing must happen to Nnamdi Kanu. You know go funny you. You know go funny you. And I dey talk and I no go funny you because in my own place, your own family dey there. I go enter una family too.
Na so.
Una get family too, I go enter am. My own, una get family, I go enter am. Enough of this nonsense. Let this rubbish stop. Enough of this. Igbos, the Biafrans are terrorists, so you let them go now. You don't want the terrorists to leave you.
Yeah, no. So they are terrorists.
They are terrorists. Which country want terrorists to come and partner with them? Allow the terrorist people to go now. You don't want them to go. And you say they are terrorists. That means they are not terrorists. People that have been killing, you did not do anything. They are moving freely. Somebody that have not killed a cockroach is a terrorist. And that is the one that is suffering. Let me tell you this. The paint and narco crime, a husband and son crime, is why they are pushing the woman to commit. But even if you give Mazen Nnamdi Kanu a death sentence, nobody will lay hand on Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. I repeat, nothing must happen to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu.
Finally, Tinubu and the Eastern governors, what do you want to tell them finally? Tinubu and Eastern governors, at this point.
Tinubu and Eastern governors, one of the stupid governors come with Fronye Furefu. I have said nobody have anything, or nobody will tell him what to do. And I said the good and fine is right. Today na your own turn, tomorrow go be another person come. The few say nothing they happen, nothing they solve. You know solve now, but if he solve tomorrow, that is what I have.
Thank you.